BRZ and 86. 86 unfortunately still needs some work to drive. I mean, I can drive, but it's not a full potential yet. So just display, and then a BRZ, I'm gonna do some ride-alongs as a ride with die. Super excited to be back. All right, first session coming up. Let's do it.
700210.
Let's walk around a little bit.
I gotta get this track. POTC qualified to Gridlife.
What up, Biggs?
Oh my god.
What's good, Daijiro?
All right, let's do it.
Shake it off, man.
264. You?
264?
Oh. All right, congrats.
Is that right?
Yep, you're the winner. All right, man.
Ever, man. Thank you so much.
Cool,
I cannot
man.
say thank you so much.
Sorry, one guy just cut in, so I couldn't follow you for first lap, but
I have 18 years.
I didn't honestly think you were going to be as close as you were, because I mean, like, I don't know, like feeling out a new driver, and then I just like look back and I'm like, okay, you're here, you're in the door, and I'm like, all right, and then I thought it was one and done, you know, no big deal, and then I see you pass me, and you're like, let's switch it up, follow me.
yeah, I can just follow you and that's it. Like,
I don't know, man, and then like, it
no,
was great.
I thought you really want to do like back and forth.
Yeah,
That's why.
I mean, I would go back out and do it all night long, but that
Cool,
was
man.
good. Thank you so much.
Maybe tomorrow night again.
I'm pitted right next to you, so
Alright.
it'll be good. Hopefully, it's not too slow.
No, not at all.
Good.
I'm not a pro anymore, so you know.
What do you mean you're not a pro? Like I know I'm this tall, but like when I was this tall, I was literally looking up to you. So like it just made my life. Like
Okay.
my whole drift career is made.
All right,
So
that's cool to hear that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, day one was safely done. 2 cars are back in the rig. My driver is happy, I hope.
Check.
All right, let's go to the concert, maybe. Maybe not.
All right.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But good times.
The weather's beautiful out here, bro. It's not hot, you know what I mean? It's a little chilly, but it's whatever. Who needs it the most? Come on, who needs it? Come on.
Alright, day 2 is coming up. Cold day, little wet. But still dry. Getting the tips from the champ.
5 kg.
Well, future champ.
Yeah, pretty much.
We'll see. 700301. Congratulations.
Yes, cool.
raffle.
3, 2, 1. All right.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the last one. It's been great today. It's been wet, and this is gonna be completely wet, right, Matt?
Soaked.
Little lens off before takeoff because we're taking this car for the Subi Fest straight from here.
Pressure, bro.
So I lost my windshield wipers, so I can't drive. I'm gonna just spectate. I'm glad I wasn't there.